Good morning. It is easy to get distracted by what most people took as the final before the finals. All Indians are hoping that the man in blue come out as triumphant in the clash of titans. But the market is a different ballgame altogether. Don't let distractions affect you as it is the FNO expiry tomorrow. The start today will be good once again, spurred by the encouraging global cues and robust FII inflows. India Inc. may suffer a bit in terms of productivity, but there is unlikely to be any material impact on market volumes. What could have a bearing is the last-minute year-end rebalancing and the FNO-related gyrations. Having said that, the undertone has turned around in the past few sessions. The key indices have surpassed the crucial 200 DMA level, propelled by renewed pickup in the FII inflows. After being pessimistic on India in the first 2 months, they have resumed their bets in March. One has to see whether the trend persists in April or not. Globally, most equity markets did well overnight, extending the recent rally despite a few headwinds in the form of Japan tragedy, Middle East and North Africa crisis and the Eurozone debt troubles. Asian markets are holding firm too. All prices have softened a little. Shares of PTC Financial Services will list today. The issue price was fixed at Rs 28 per share. The retailers will get a discount of Rupee 1. Also keep an eye on PTC, which is the parent company. For the Indian markets, the near-term outlook will hinge on whether the key benchmarks are able to cement their position above the 200 DMA level. We expect the current positive upswing to continue with immediate resistance seen at around 5,810. After a series of strong days, the Indian market may witness some cooling at some point and consolidate around 5,700. A breach of 5,800 on a sustainable basis might confirm a short-term trend reversal. FIIs were net buyers of Rs 12.91 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday, according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutional investors were net sellers at Rs 4.74 billion on the same day. FIIs were net buyers at Rs 7.25 billion in the FNO segment. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 4.82 billion in the cash segment on Monday as per the SEBI data. Mutual funds were net buyers at Rs 2.289 billion in the cash segment on the same day. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we advise buying McDowell's above Rs 1062 with a stop loss placed at Rs 1045 and for the target price of Rs 1100. We advise buying Crompton Greaves in the range of Rs 269 to Rs 270 with a stop loss placed at Rs 265 and for the target price of Rs 280. Our derivative strategy for the day are: long Jindal saw March futures in the range of Rs 195 to Rs 197 with a target price of Rs 203 and a stop loss placed at Rs 193. Long Navily Lignite March futures in the range of Rs 105 to Rs 105.50 for the target price of Rs 110 and with a stop loss placed at Rs 103. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.